this is why I tell y'all I hate buy here, pay here, man. Because I got 2 customers right now. One of them late, about a month late. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle, man. I ain't said that in a while, have I, man? So I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling rejuvenated. Back from vacation, y'all. So Mexico was lit. It was dope. I'm actually gonna end up dropping like a whole summary of what happened, all the stuff that I didn't get on footage, because it was some crazy stuff. I actually almost got abducted. And I'm not lying to y'all, man. It was crazy, man. But anyways, man, we're gonna talk about business right now. And also, man, let me not forget, man, everybody that's new to the channel, man, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share. So when I did that, man, that means hit that thumbs up button, and then do not forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Notification bell is right next to the subscribe button. That way you're gonna be able to stay up to date with what your boy got going on. Links to all the social media platforms are in the description below, so go ahead and follow me on there. Let's get this video up. Let's get 100 likes. Let's get that Instagram following up, man, to 1,000 people. It's way more than 1,000 people that's part of the Major Nation, man. So go be a part of the La Familia and follow me on Instagram, man. But let's get to it, y'all. So I'm on my way right now. I got a lot of stuff going on. I'm going out to the auction today. I'm getting cars. I got so many cars sold that was, I don't know how many, but most of them are gone actually 2. 09 Chevy Malibu's gone, and then the silver Chevy Malibu's gone. My phone's ringing, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and end this real quick. So so those 2 were gone, man. The Malibu Max was going to be gone, but what ended up happening with that was it started leaking oil. So got an oil leak. So we obviously got to bring that to the shop and get that taken care of. And the Impala's done. Rack and pinion is in there. Got to get an alignment on that. So, you know, I just got a lot of catching up to do and a lot of collecting to do, but we're going to get to it. And let's just get on this road, man. Let's find out what happens today.
Woo! Sheesh! Taking over, taking off. I'm spazzing like you got the spaz. Woo! 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 I'm up. We up. I'm up.
All right, y'all, just made it to the auction. So I am right back at work, y'all. Got snow all on these cars, but it's all good. Let me get to it. I'm gonna do an auction walk around video, or at least attempt to make that happen for y'all, man. So I'll see y'all in a second. Out here, man, trying to find some deals. I'm testing out this little portable jump pack, y'all. I got, if you guys been watching all my videos, you know I got, dang, this thing is beat up. I got a bigger one, but that's just been too big for me. It's a 07, I think. Oh, nah, this one is worse than I thought, y'all. I saw this online and put it on my list. Let me see. We're in Minnesota, man, for all the new people. Yeah, this is a 07 G35X, I believe. But that's too smashed up for me, man. I don't want to do any body work. The body guy's been acting a little crazy, which is my uncle. So let's see what we got out here, y'all. There we go. I like cheap cars. Got a Ford Freestyle or a Freestar. They got the Corolla, Durango, and Sonata right there. So I'm going for the Sonata first. Let's see what she do. Ice on there. Oh, interior is clean. I think it's clean. Let me see how many miles on here, y'all. Ah, come on, man. It's got all this ice on these cars. Loud exhaust. Radio work. Cut the AC on. This is gonna be a lot of work, y'all, trying to get these cars. See, man, this is the one thing that I hate about Odessa, man, is they're never on top of their stuff. So they should have been had people out here blowing off the snow off all these cars, man. So all these cars are gonna have a ½ inch of ice on the windshield. And and unfortunately I didn't bring a snow scraper. So actually, let me go see if I can get one from at the office, y'all. At least that'll help me out. Let's see what we got, y'all. Okay. 55, 60. It drives pretty good, not bad. I'm gonna basically test this training out one more time. It did shift a little bit hard, so I just want to double check that. But so far so good. Let's see what happens real quick. See if we get any more shaking if I go past 60. Alright, that seems to be cool. Alright, okay, brakes was a little bit weird, very weird actually. I'm gonna go ahead and actually I'm not gonna do that because we got a car coming. I was about to do a U-turn. Do a U-turn right here. Alright, let them go up a little bit. Alright, we should be good with this one, y'all. So far, windshield, flex pipe, pretty much it. Alright, y'all, so I'm at Brian's now. Got my selfie stick, and we did not get an auction walk around video done because it was snow piled up on all them cars, and your boy just couldn't do it, man. But we are here, man, picking up Twan's Trailblazer, and here's my van. I need it done. So Jay's gonna mess with that today. I don't think you guys ever met Jay. That's the other mechanic out here. Real cool dude. But here's Twan's Trailblazer. 04 with 143,000 miles on it. Sounds good. He just got an oil change done on it. Rims looking pretty decent. Let me unlock this door real quick. So we still got to go grab all my cars and all that stuff. So that's going to be the plan. But let's see what he got, man. This is my first time laying eyes on this Trailblazer, y'all. And it's actually really, really decent. I bought one of these back in the day, man. And I haven't bought one since. The 4x4 was messed up on it. The trainee was messed up. And the head gaskets was out. And it was on the Trailblazer. I mean, damn. Oh, it's from Odessa, I meant. So I bought it from Odessa, and I literally stopped going. After that, bro, I stopped going to Odessa for like 6 months, man. I was so pissed off. Moving and grooving like always, y'all. So I'm in the Chevy Malibu Max right now, and we ended up leaving that Trailblazer at Brian's. Me and Twan, we drove the car for about 30 minutes to make a run, make sure that it didn't develop a tap again, and guess what? It did, but it was actually a knock. So we're gonna do a straight engine swap on that joint, get that done. Hopefully, basically, Jay gonna talk to Brian because Brian's on vacation right now. So shout out to Brian, happy birthday to you, bro. And Jay's gonna talk to Brian and see if he can do a little bit better on that engine swap. As far as like the price goes, it's 18 hours, man. 18 hours of labor is what the book value or the book time is on that engine swap. So they're gonna figure that out. We're not gonna trip on it. We just gonna keep it pushing. So right now I'm taking the Malibu Max out to Chris's, taking that to him, and then I'm gonna hop in my Impala that's over there, and then I'm bringing that to Brian so that Jay can do an alignment on that, and then me and Twan, we're just gonna keep it moving, and then we're gonna go from there. So hopefully we get some, well, I don't even know if we got any cars ready to be sold at this point. I done sold out on a lot of cars. Oh, we still got the Grand Prix, still got the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. So yeah, I know like the people that are new to the channel, you probably like, man, this dude ain't got no cars, but we sure had a lot for a long time, man. So I just got back from vacation, y'all, so now it's time to get back buckle the buckle the bootstraps up, and then get to going, man. We gotta buy some more cars, and then that way we can make some money. So let's make some blue faces. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So I came back to Odessa. Well, actually, I just got dropped off in my truck, but me and my bro is like, let's go see if they pulled out some more, which they did. So we did some more test driving and found some more cars, man. So now it's weather, man. Like I keep on telling y'all, man, it's crazy. So I'm trying to show y'all real quick, man. Now the sun's out, it's beaming. It's probably like 20-something degrees now. It was super cold this morning. Had ice on, or 2 inches of snow on the dang windshield. So like I said, man, I apologize for y'all not getting y'all this walk around video, but the one that I attempted, obviously y'all probably already saw that, so I put it into the video. That way at least y'all saw one car, but it is what it is, man. So I am moving around, of course, going back to the office now. I'm meeting up with Tremaine. We got to move some cars from storage to the office, and then we are going to see what's up, man. I got a couple people that hit me up for the Grand Prix, so we're just waiting on that to happen. And actually might end up having that Dodge Grand Caravan, so from a previous customer. So we will see what happens. Hopefully we can get them going. If we get them going, I mean, we're virtually down to no cars at all, besides the ones that are getting fixed, man. And then also, man, I just found this super ugly looking van today, man. Y'all know me, man, I'm so cheap, man, so cheap. So at least when it comes to myself, which I need to work on, but I found this van, right? So I think it's gonna go for like $200 to $300. Like, it is like dented up on the side, man. Like, but it still got low miles. It's like a 05 Dodge Grand Caravan. People don't even like Dodge Grand Caravans like that. They prefer the town and countries. So that's messed up, man. So I think it might go for like $200-300. If I get that joint, man, I might buy that and then get rid of that 09 Dodge Grand Caravan. Obviously, I have to get it detailed again, but at the same time, I was gonna keep it for myself. I made some money out of the car. I don't care. I'll sell that joint, get my money back plus some more, and then rocking this little van. It's a stolen go too. It's an 02 though, y'all. It's a 02 Dodge Grand Caravan. But yeah, I'm gonna see what's up, man. We'll figure it out. But that's just a little food for thought. But let's get to it, man. All right, y'all. Y'all want to know how it is working as a car dealer? Well, here you go, man. I gotta cover up these people's information. This is what I'm going through right now, y'all. So, got the laptop up, man. We got I'm going through the system. I got to reprint stuff. I got this pile right here, y'all, of mistakes, which is just a little bit. I got titles that came in. We got people that owe us money that got the car impounded. This is what's going on, man. So now I got to figure out all this stuff. I wasn't planning on doing any type of admin stuff today. Don't feel like doing it, but I got to. So about to knock this stuff out. I got Tremaine on his way up here now. We still got to go grab the cars, bring them back here. And yeah, man, this is like, to be honest with y'all, this is the most stressful part of being a car dealer, is actually the paperwork and keeping up with records and everything, man, because you can let it slip away from you. So, my recommendation is just keep up with it. If your operation's big enough to hire people, you know what I mean? Like, try to outsource as much stuff as you can, and just keep it moving, keep it grooving, man. And don't let the stress get to you, man. Once I get done with this pile, and another thing is just do it, right? Like, don't procrastinate about it. You see it. Like, I came in here, I was supposed to be in and out, but I saw it. I'm like, let me knock this out. Let me fix this stuff so we can get this stuff processed through the state, and we can be on to the next, man. So let's get it. Let's go. Jermaine just got here. Finna hop in with him. And I wanted to let y'all know, man, the WeGo, it's cool. It's probably the best portable one that I didn't mess with, but it ain't as good as that J&C one I got, y'all. So that, oh no, I was talking to the camera. So the J&C one, we don't go to storage, bro. Oh yeah, you know that already. Yeah. Oh, the key? You got not to the storage, to the van. Oh, all right. So, yeah, man, so it's not as powerful, and so I mean, but it's cool. Like I said, portable. I got a little pouch. I put my code reader in there now, and whatever I can't jump, then I just have to use the bigger jump pack or something. But we'll see, man, how it goes. If it ends up not being too reliable for me, then I'm just gonna stay with the J&C. But yeah, man, all the paperwork is done. Now we finna go rock and grab this Town and Country from storage. We are in the Grand Prix right now, and then I got, and this is why I tell y'all I hate buy here, pay here, man. Because I got 2 customers right now. One of them late, about a month late. I should have been repoed her, but I had a lot of stuff going on. So she wants me to pick up the money. So I had to pick up the money from her, and then also the Honda. Then he has to get his hair done, so he wants me to pick up the money for him. So man, that's what I'm dealing with right now. So we gotta knock this out, and we gotta move quick because bro gotta go do what he gotta do. And yeah, man. So that's just like I said, man. But see you in a second. At storage, y'all, and there's the van, man. As y'all can see, man, this thing is cleared out. And we don't really have anything going on. I don't understand why these cats are actually blocking my spots. So let me holler at them real quick. I don't know if the plow came through here. I think they did. No, they didn't. But anyways, man, here is the van. Let me start this thing up real quick. Get this thing warmed up. Once again, y'all, when you got a car, don't just hop in it, start it up, and then drive. You could possibly blow a motor, especially in the cold area like Minnesota, man. So here's the interior for the new guys. And yeah, man, it just feels good to have just a couple cars left. So let's get her done. All right, y'all, so I'm in my mom's Malibu. I'm actually on my way to go pick up my truck. So I'm gonna go pick up my truck, man, and get it going, man. So I am tired, but it's all good, man. It has been a hectic day, as y'all can see, all over the place. But we got a lot accomplished, a lot of ups and a lot of downs. Gotta go pick up this money too. So I'm gonna do this, knock this stuff out. That we don't have to do this tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be all the way caught up by the end of today. And then we can get right back to business, man. So I'm determined. I'm not playing no games, y'all. I'm getting back to where I was at, man, where I'm talking about I'm working from morning till night. You see this? Night. You know what I'm saying? It ain't dark yet. It ain't dark yet, man. We got a little bit of light. But let's get to it, man. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.